Move day is here. Now where do you start? Don't get overwhelmed. Just follow these checklist categories and you'll be off on the right foot from the very first day in your new place. First, gather your moving supplies. Water bottles. Moving is thirsty work and hydration will save you a world of hurt. Trash bags. You're gonna find junk as you go. Having a place to dispose of it is key. Markers for last-minute labels. Tape to keep everything sealed. A few extra boxes. You'll always need more. Cash is the preferred way to tip any hired help. Address and directions to the new place. Can't have anybody getting lost. And of course, keys. We really recommend keeping the smaller of these items in a handy and oh so stylish moving fanny pack. Be sure to set aside a special box or bag with some essential items so you don't have to go hunting for them later. Things like toiletries, disposable plates and utensils, chargers, and a change of clothes. With supplies secured, prepare your fleet. Pick up your moving truck and do it as early as possible, especially if you'll have hired workers on the clock. Go over the plan. Whether you've got professionals or just friends and family, start the day with a quick meeting to make sure everyone knows what's happening, when, and where. Once you're unloaded, do some safety checks. Test all alarms. Have a few batteries handy if any need replaced. Find functional controls. It's important to know where things like circuit breakers and shut-off valves are before you need to use them. Schedule any repairs that you might need, either with your landlord or a contractor. Change the locks, if applicable. Child or pet-proof any hazardous areas if needed. Next, check the utilities. Is the water running? Is the power on? Do you know the trash pickup schedule? And of course, get your Wi-Fi and TV going. You're gonna need a break after all of this. If you haven't already, be sure to update your address with places like the post office, your bank, your insurance providers, and anyone else who needs to know. Don't worry about packing everything today. It's just not realistic. Just get the basics. Simple groceries with enough kitchenware to prepare and eat them. Bedding. It might be a good time to wash your sheets if you can. And bathroom supplies and toiletries to keep clean and comfy. If you still got an ounce of energy somehow, you can take a minute to meet your neighbors, either the old-fashioned way or by finding community groups on places like the Nextdoor app. With all of that to focus on, it might be hard to find time for the whole lugging everything around part. Professional movers are more affordable than you'd think. Check out HireAHelper.com to find the best ones near you. To avoid some common moving mistakes, check out our other video. If this was helpful, like and follow for more moving advice.